What's up, ladies and gentlemen? You already know who this is, but I'll remind you again, it is Mr. Filmz. Sorry about that, I had to fix the camera. The dash holder just sometimes just be misplaced. But back with another video. I know it's been a while since I dropped the video. What's going on is that my computer's been down, you know. MacBooks, well, that's what I have, a MacBook Pro actually, but you know, Windows computers, Google computers, it don't matter what you got. Sometimes they go down, they burn out, or whatever the situation is. Well, my situation, my hard drive went out on me. It really sucked. Like, it's been down for a while. You know how that goes, having funds in order to get new equipment and new products for you, just to put on YouTube for people to watch or whatever. But hopefully things will change today, because I'm actually headed to try to see if I can get this hard drive. And there's two types of hard drives. There's an HDD, a hard drive that's been out for quite a while now. I can get into the details of what the differences of these drives are, but the other kinds of hard drives are called SSD, which are solid state drives, meaning you don't have to worry about any rotating pieces inside that hard drive that will break or anything like that. You know, solid states cost a little more because they don't have to deal with moving parts. They last longer. Yeah, things of that sort. But that's what I'm going for, SSD. That was originally inside my MacBook, was an SSD, 240 gigs, in which I'm probably going to get another 240 gig SSD card for right now. It should do me for a little while until I can get an upgraded one, probably a terabyte, hopefully. But until we get there, where we left off is I had to get a new hard drive, solid state drive, not HDD. Went to Best Buy and I got that. Wasn't as much memory as I thought it was gonna be for the price that I paid, but I mean, it is what it is. It's just a temporary hard drive until I probably get a terabyte. That's what I think I might need, a terabyte for all these videos, because these videos take up a lot of memory. But in this bag, I got my old hard drive that died on me. So I ain't feel like I should just throw this hard drive away, because you know, I mean, it had stuff on it of mine, so I feel like I should keep it, even though it doesn't work. Because you never know, I mean, stuff can be fixed. I don't know. But I bought a PNY hard drive, 240 gigabytes. Like I said, it's only 240 gigabytes. I probably need more than that. But like I said, it's a temporary hard drive. I was told that it's doable. It'll last me a couple years, but I don't think I might be using that for that long. I probably better have me at least a 500 gig by then, because I need more memory. But yeah, go SSD, not HDD, because you will be needing another hard drive messing with them HDD hard drives. Yeah, but I'm gonna get to the house, do this install, download this software to this hard drive. Hopefully I do it the right way, because I'm not trying to go all the way to the Apple Home store and go do this when I can just learn how to do it myself. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I get to my house. I gotta keep my eyes on the road and get home safe. And I am back. Whoa. Gotta fix this laptop. Yeah. It's a lot of work to be done and not enough time. So what I'm gonna do, here's my laptop, charger, old hardware and new hardware, screwdriver, and different size heads for the screwdriver. I unscrewed, however you want to say it. I already took the screws out of my laptop, so I won't have to be doing it. It's hard to do this with one hand. So, you got the guts of the laptop. So what I was told was take the hard drive out and install the hard drive. But hold on, I'm gonna be right back because it's hard to do this with one hand. Install the hard drive. This is my old hard drive. I installed a new one into the computer. Booted it up while holding Command R, which is what you have to do to get to the recovery stage on the MacBooks or Apple products. I kind of skipped all of that because there was a lot of noise going on in the house, so I didn't want that to be all in my video. So right now the process is that it's loading up and it will eventually get to the recovery screen. So when it gets there, I'll be back. It's finally loading up. Got to the home welcome page. And this is where I was talking about. So we're gonna install it, a new copy. And I have to connect to the internet. installing the software. So the disk we're installing it on and not picking up. So we have to go back to disk utility and now it should be able to do it. There we are. So it's gonna upload the software, and then we're back to where we were making the videos. And it's done loading. I don't know how long it's gonna take to jump up to the main screen. But it did successfully download the software to the computer. Just waiting on it to pop up. Baby's back up and running. Yeah. I thought I'd never see it working again. You see how long it's gonna take to do this, So ladies and gentlemen, all I wanna say is, just because your computer goes down, it doesn't work anymore, doesn't mean that it's not gonna work anymore. What you do is go get a diagnostics on your computer. Whether if it's Apple, go take it to the Apple store or Best Buy or a local computer store. But I prefer you to take it to Best Buy or Apple because, I mean, that's where the products come from. Apple comes from Apple. Windows, you know, quite naturally you can try to find a Windows store, but most likely you're gonna be going to Best Buy to go to a Geek Squad. But other than that, don't just give up on your computer. Figure out what's wrong with it. It might be a simple fix.